Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbala speaking. So in this video, what I want to show you is how you can set up your Google Meet so that you can share your screen. Most of you have you might be conversant with Zoom, and some of you might not, and some of you want to use Google Meet, but you don't know how to set up your video or screen or set it up so that it will be showing your screen. So this video will be a complete guide to show you how you can get that going up. So all you need to do is log into your Google account. Once you log into your Google account, the next thing you have to do is to this place where you have this three dots, this option. So you come and search for Google Meet. Okay, here's Google Meet. So these are the different services that Google offers. So this is Google Meet. You click on Google Meet to help you open up Google Meet, and you can set up an event. So this is Google Meet. So the ways I can enter a meeting is, first I can, maybe someone send me a meeting to join send me a link to join a meeting. So I'll copy the link and paste it here and click on join. So since that's not the case, maybe I'm the one that wants to create a meeting. So all I need to do is come to new meeting, click on new meeting, and here's my link automatically generated. So it's that simple. You can just share this link and then share it with your with the person you want to meet with. I hope that's clear. So once you do that, the meeting is active. It's going to be active. So I myself, I can decide to open this copy this link in a new tab. So it will show me, this is the setup of how the meeting is going to go. So if this link is for someone who is going to be joining, so the person will just click on join now, and the person will be able to have access to the meeting. So it's that simple. You understand? So now, what about if I want to share something and I have something to present? So this is the display. So what you'll be doing here is that there are many other things you can do on this page. So one of the few things you can do is you can check your microphone if it's working. You can check your video if you want it to be turned on. It's turned off this way, to be turned on this way. My video is not set up, so if you want the caption to be available, you can do that. Now for presentations, you can come here to presentation and click on presentation, then click, depending on what you want to do. If you want to share your entire screen, you can click on this. It will share your entire screen. If you want to share just the window, you can click on share just a window. If you want to share a tab, you can click on just a tab. So I want to share an entire screen, so you come here, click on entire screen. If this is what I actually want to share, I click on it and I click on share. So you see that I have to click on the screen itself and then click on share. So this way it will share my screen. Whatever I'm seeing on my screen, the other person will also be seeing it on the other side, so we can share our screens. So like I said, you can see that the screen is being shared, and whatever information the person wants to share with me can be shared this way. So I can also come here and stop the presentation if I want the presentation to stop. I can also come here and share a window. So I'll select the particular window I want to be shared specifically, and I would be able to share that particular window. So I can share from my what's it called now, from my Opera Mini, from my Windows tab that I open, from my Microsoft Word, depending on what specific any specific I want to show. And how do I do that? I just click on it and click on share. So if I do that now, you see that everything that will be showing on that screen will be just from that particular screen. So let me go back. Okay, here you go. So anything I'll be showing here will be anything from this particular screen. You see that? It'll be anything from that particular screen. So let me stop sharing. Okay, so if you want to share with a tab, you click on tab and you select the particular tab you want to share. You can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have about let me move this up so that I can see. Okay, don't worry. I have about 7 tabs that are active. So let's say I want to share. Okay, where is it now? Just a minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these same tabs are all up there. You understand? So all I need to do is click on the particular tab I want to share, and just click on share. So it's very easy to make use of Google Meet for your meeting. So once you're done, you click on share, and that'll be all. So let me cancel. And there are other options available here. You can use a whiteboard. So maybe you want to explain something, you can come here and click on the whiteboard option. You can decide to change your layout. So let's click on the layout option and see how it works. So there are automatic layouts and there are tiled layouts. So the layout will be divided into different grids, and there are spotlight layouts depending on what you want to see on the layout. And you have the sidebar layout, whereby some of the options will be divided on the sidebar. So if this is the sidebar layout, so let's check out for other layouts. Let's pick tiled. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, there's nothing changing here anyway, but those are the different layouts possible on here. So you can also click on the full screen. That means you want everything to be showing up in the full screen. You can also open in picture, you understand. You can also apply visual effects. So I'm just trying to walk you through the possibilities here. So if you have any issue here, you can report a problem or report an abuse, or carry out some other settings. So let's look at the possible settings now. So for instance, your audio is not working properly. You can see that my audio is working. So when I stop talking, this would stop moving, so telling you that there's audio being received, and when it stops moving, it shows you that no audio is received. So if I want to put it off, I can put it off from here. Or if I want to change the device, rather, I can come here and change the source of its audio. So the audio I'm using now is a WooCommerce mic device, and it's a default microphone. That's what I'm using for my audio. So if you have other audio input, you can come here and select those audio inputs. So while for speaker, for the speaker you want to hear from, so you can also select different sources of your output speaker. I hope you get. So these are your input microphone, and speaker, these are your output. So for your video sources also, you can select different video sources. Because my video is not connecting, that's why you're not seeing my video here. So the only video source I have here is the OBS virtual camera. Okay, so the screen resolution can also be edited if you want a higher definition, or you want the standard definition, depending on what you want. So I'll always leave it at auto. Now you can also check out the receive resolution. So if you don't want to spend much on your data, so you can work on it. If you want to receive only audio, you can also do that as well. So another option available is the general. You can set up send additional diagnostic info to Google, so you can tick this to do that, or you can leave empty calls. That is, you can remove this one will help you remove from a call after a few minutes if no one else joins, you understand. So if for instance someone sent you a meeting and the person is not joining, so after like some few minutes, if the person doesn't join, I'll be removed from the meeting. So it's that easy to walk through, and your caption works to give you different subtitle or caption to whatever discussion going on. So you have, I think, 6 languages: English, French, German, Portuguese, Spanish, and Spanish, Mexico, and Spanish Spain available for those options. So basically that is all. Then if there's any other thing, so if you want to see the people that are on this call, so this is where you see them, see the people on the call. So if there's any chat going on, you can come here to check out the chat. And if there's any other activity going on, so remember I told you that if you want to work on the whiteboard, you can do that. So the whiteboard will allow you to be able to so you can put out information. You want to make analogy, you want to explain something, you want to share some information, and you want to make it to look pictorial. So your whiteboard would help you to share that information very easily. So you pick your pen, you draw it depending on what you want to draw. So this is just an example, and you can decide to erase. Okay, I don't want this part to be there, but I want to draw a circle around here. So I believe you get the illustration. So that's what it is used for. So you can use this is your select tool. So I can select whatever it is that's on the screen. This is your sticky notes, cancel. So there are different options. So all you need to do is to play around with them. You can add a picture as well. you can also do so many things as possible. So let me close that up, and I believe that to be all. But meanwhile, it's important that you're able to have a successful meeting. You must make sure that everything works out fine and you are fully in control as the host. So this is where you are hosting, you are going to be fully in control of your meeting. So you can decide to share screen. So if you want people to share their screen, you can activate this. If you want people to send out chat, you can activate this. If you want people to turn off their microphone, you can also activate this. So turn on the audio, you can also activate that. So you must come here to check out if you want to be fully in charge of the event. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you follow us for more content like this. Like this video, and we'll see in subsequent videos. Thank you.